Introducing the sleek and reliable 2024 Seat Leon 1.0TSI 110HP 5-door SE Plus in stylish grey. With just 18,864 kilometers on the clock, this car boasts an array of comfort, safety, and styling features, making every journey a pleasure. From ambient lighting to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. Rest assured, it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, servicing to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in luxury and style with the 2024 Seat Leon.